Welcome back to PowerPoint Training Online. In today's video, we're going to show you how to utilize or how to link to a slide. Now, in order to do this, you need to be using PowerPoint Online, okay? So this will not work in the desktop version of PowerPoint. So go ahead, open OneDrive, as I've got here, and then I've just opened up my presentation. So I've got mine preloaded. To show you an example of this, I've already got a link that I've created, so I'll copy that. I'm going to open a new tab or a new browser, and I'm going to paste that in there. And that will then bring me to that particular slide that I copied. Now, it is important to note that it brings you to the whole deck. So it's not just that one slide. It will give them the whole deck. However, there are some settings which you can play about. Whichever slide you link to, it will show that particular slide first. So you can see it's open there. So I'm going to close this down, and then we're going to show you how to do this. When you're in PowerPoint Online, all you need to do is select one of your slides. So for instance, in this one, I'm going to select this chart one. Really bright there. I'm going to come over here to the left-hand side under the slide view, and I'm going to right-click on the slide I want. And then from here, you'll see link to this slide. Press that, and you will get the options box appear. It may take a moment to load. Now you can go ahead straight away and copy that link. Copy that, and then come into a browser, put my link in, and you can see it brings me to this exact slide. Now I do have, again, the other person who you're sending to can then go up and look at all the other slides if need be, but it will link to the one in particular that you are giving them. This is really useful for situations where you want to show somebody a particular slide. I know I've built some slide decks that have plus 50 slides in it, so for you to explain or to get all that across through to a person, sometimes it's just easier just to copy that link to that slide and then give it to them, and then we'll open it where you want them to open it, so then they can see any comments or anything else that you may have added to it, or whatever it is that you are giving to them for. So what if you don't want to give them edit access though? What if you just want them to read it, give you some thoughts, etc., without actually changing it? That is a great question. So if you click on this, it opens up a small settings button and it allows you to decide whether the person you're sharing who has the link can edit it. You can set an expiration date. So you can come in here and say, let's say for tomorrow. So then if they turn around and say, if you give them that link, you know after that date, it will not work for them. And then also, if you want to be extra secure, you can add in a password. Once you've done that, just press apply, copy your link, and then you send that over to the person or to the people that you need for them to view. And that is that. That's how simple it is. Thank you for joining us today for another Bite-Sized Monday. If you liked this video today or found it useful in any way, please hit that like button. And while you're there, hit subscribe. You can do that below or in the top corner up here. And if you want to learn more about PowerPoint, why not check out another video? Until next time guys, goodbye.